Okay, you've turned your fireplace off for the summer and you want to relight it for the winter. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So first you're going to make sure your switch is off over on your wall. You're going to take your screen off by lifting it the top portion like that and set that to the side. So underneath here are your components. So you have a couple of different knobs here. You've got the setting on the flame here on the left, and on the right you've got your on, off, and pilot. So you're going to want to turn this knob to the pilot position, line up with this line here, and you're going to want to push that in and hold it in. So once you've got that held in, there's a striker button here. You're going to push that a couple of times until you see the blue flame that's at the back of the fireplace log, and then you're going to turn that knob that you have held in, keep it held in, and you're going to turn that to the on position. Once that's turned to the on position, your blue flame will be on at that point. You're going to go ahead and reinstall your screen and let that down, and then you're going to go over here to your switch and turn that on, and your fireplace should light.